Why, hello, here. This is P10S. Or I'm P10S. But yeah, this is just gonna be a short recap. We'll maybe even build something. But yeah, I built a hotel. Forgot to film it though. This is the iCup Hotel. Do not spell it out. But yeah. Ooh, that's nice. But yeah. It's just a simple hype hotel. Yeah. Today we may even just fill it up with harness stands, so then it looks like people. Cause that's nice. But yeah, look at what VVV56ER built. Oh, is this FedEx? This looks like FedEx. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, I want to go inside of this. Wow. Yeah, so last episode we built this. Wow. I may even just play some KidCraft today. Ooh. This place looks amazing. I think he just added the orange stripe, but that looks amazing. I don't know what else he had. I don't really remember what happened in last episode. Okay, it's really loud. May have to just like turn it down. Oh yeah. If you're wondering what this is like the escalators. This one goes the other way. You have to go through this one. Yeah. Probably want to just walk on the sidewalk. It's much faster. But yeah. Okay, so today, I want to show you this. That's a slurp truck from last episode. You get to know what it is now, if you didn't know. Listen. Huh, plays music. I thought it did. But yeah, this is the netherite vault. Yeah, that makes sound. But watch. I can do command block, structure block, redstone. Wondering how this works? I may show you just in a second. Okay. Cleaned, and that happens. This still, like, does not have any guards, and I did fill this up with treasures, so yeah. Button always falls off. Should pick these up and maybe have like a hopper minecart. Maybe have the structure block do like layers instead of block per block. But yeah, this needs to be more protected than what it is protected by. If you flip this again, it still is gonna close it, won't open it. I don't know how to do one single lever. Oh yeah, Miss Fluffers. I don't actually have a cat named Miss Fluffers. It's a Minecraft cat that died from a command block. Or not command block, but a command issue. Okay, just a sec, I'm gonna turn this music down. Okay, it's a little bit better now and quiet. Yeah, I can hardly hear it. I don't know if this was in last episode, but look at what I found when I was flying around. Tank. I think I already showed that, I don't know. But there's a tank. Yeah. Last episode I also said I was going to build something here. Today we are going to definitely build something. If I said I was going to build something here, well I did. See if you know this reference, this little shape. It's from a Minecraft book. All these are, this is a reference. Basically. Not the actual buildings. Keep on having like Microsoft things pop up. Hey, get points before they're gone. It's annoying. But yeah. Today. What does this say? Humane animals. Humane stables? I thought it said animals. Glue. Wagyu burger. Let's see here. Pork chop and bacon. empty barrels. Okay, I think that is enough talking, and time for some more building. Let's go! Okay, so we just finished the bank. Yeah, this is bank. But yeah, oh no. Soon we'll add armor stand guards and stuff, but this is the netherite bank. So yeah. I think, yeah, I'm gonna film another video. It's gonna be Kidcraft if I can even find the world. So yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah. Much shorter video than I thought. Bye.